be honest, I'm not actually feeling too well.
Nah, you'll be okay. Come on.
No, I think I need to sit down.
Darling, it's just up here. Come on, Jenny.
Hold
Jenny. Jenny. Sweetheart, Jenny. Stop messing around. Jeez. Ambulance, please. My girlfriend, she's fallen and hit her head. Please, hurry. Thank you. Oh, where have you been?
Jenny, you're safe now, okay? It's the ambulance. We're going to help you.
Can you speed this up and get her in the ambulance?
Jenny, I'm just going to
Doing no good to her here. Just get her to hospital, please.
We just need to make sure she's safe.
She's hit her head. Come on, let's just get her in the ambulance.
Right,
yeah?
Try and stay calm.
I'm perfectly calm.
Nid yw ymosod ar weithiwr gofal brys yn dderbyniol. Nawr, yn fwy nag erioed, cofiwch yw trin a pharch os gwelwch yn dda.
Work with us, not against us.